So you're debating whether or not to buy a home in 2024. Well, then you've arrived at the right place. Let's dive into this classic debate and see whether it's better for you to rent or own your home. Hi everyone, I'm Brayden Milner, head of the Milner team at Florida Future Realty, bringing you over 50 combined years of experience in the Southwest Florida real estate market. Today we're diving into a topic that's on the minds of many, the big decision between buying a home and renting a home. Whether you're dreaming of a sunny beach house, a cozy suburban apartment, or a cheek city apartment in Southwest Florida, the decision to rent or buy is more than just a financial one. It's about your lifestyle, your future plans, and what feels like home to you. So are you ready to explore this together? Let's uncover the secrets of the real estate world and find out what best suits you in the beautiful Southwest Florida market. Let the debate begin. As we begin this journey together, it's crucial to grasp the significance of the decision that we're discussing. The consideration between renting and owning isn't just a financial decision. It's a choice that impacts your lifestyle, your future, and even your peace of mind. Here in Southwest Florida, this decision is particularly significant. Our region offers a unique blend of housing options, from waterfront properties to charming inland suburban homes. Whether you're a young professional, a growing family, or looking to retire in paradise, the question of renting versus owning is a major crossroads. Each path offers distinct benefits and challenges. Renting can offer flexibility and ease, especially if you're new to the area or not ready for the long-term commitment of homeownership. It's often seen as a short-term solution, but for some, it's a lifestyle choice. Owning, on the other hand, is about putting down roots. It's about investing in your future and potentially building equity over time. It's a commitment not just to a house, but to a community. So as we dive deeper into this topic, remember, the decision to rent or own in Southwest Florida is more than just numbers on a spreadsheet. It's about what fits your life, your dreams, and your goals. Now let's talk about why many people choose the rental path in Southwest Florida. For some, it's about affordability. Others, it's about the lifestyle and flexibility that renting can offer. One of the biggest draws to renting is the lack of a long-term commitment. It's perfect for those who aren't ready to settle down or who prefer the freedom to move with ease, be it for a job, family, or just a change of scenery. Renting also means that you're not on the hook for property maintenance. No worrying about fixing a leaky roof or a broken AC unit, as that's typically handled by the landlord or property management company, giving renters a hassle-free living experience. Another key factor is the lower upfront cost. Buying a home often requires a substantial down payment, closing costs, and other expenses. It typically just asks for a security deposit and first and last month's rent. Especially for young professionals and those who value flexibility, renting can be an attractive option. It offers the opportunity to live in desirable areas of Southwest Florida without the hefty price tag of buying. As we continue our discussion, keep in mind these advantages of renting. They play a crucial role for many in choosing their home in Southwest Florida. But what about the other side of the coin? Having explored why many opt for renting, it's time to shift our focus to the perks of homeownership in Southwest Florida. There's a reason why so many people dream of owning their home here. A key advantage of buying a home is building equity. As you pay off your mortgage, you're not just covering a living expense. You're investing in an asset that typically appreciates over time, contributing to your wealth. Homeownership also offers stability and the potential for long-term savings. Unlike renting, where you might face annual rent increases, a fixed-rate mortgage keeps your monthly payments consistent. And let's not forget the personal touch. Owning your home means you can paint, decorate, and remodel to your heart's content. It's your personal canvas, a reflection of your style and personality. Moreover, your home is more than just a building. It's a long-term investment into your future. It's where memories are made, where families grow, and where you can enjoy the fruits of your hard work. As we weigh these advantages, it becomes clear that owning a home in Southwest Florida isn't just a financial decision. It's a lifestyle choice. Let's get into the specifics and crunch some numbers to understand the financial implications of renting versus owning in Southwest Florida. Firstly, homeownership is a powerful way to build equity. As you pay your mortgage each month, you're gradually increasing your ownership stake in the property, as opposed to rent, which doesn't contribute to any asset accumulation. Let's consider this scenario. Buying a home in Southwest Florida for $310,000 with a 3.5% down payment. With a 7% interest rate, the monthly mortgage comes out to right around $1,990. Now let's compare this to renting a similar property for $2,000 a month. Initially, renting may seem like a cheaper option due to the lack of upfront costs, lower insurance, and maintenance costs. However, let's look at this over a 10-year period. Over a decade, the renter has no equity to show, while the homeowner has built substantial equity in their home. The renter has paid out over $240,000, factoring in the $2,000 a year over 10 years. Even without appreciation, the homeowner would have at least built 10 years of equity. But factoring in interest and appreciation, the homeowner's investment can grow significantly, especially in a market like Southwest Florida where property values tend to appreciate. Additionally, homeowners can enjoy potential tax benefits like deductions on mortgage interest and property taxes, which can further enhance the return on investment. In contrast, renters don't receive these financial perks. So, while renting and owning have their financial implications, homeownership in Southwest Florida can be a savvy long-term investment. Up next, let's dive into the current state of the Southwest Florida real estate market. Understanding the broader picture of renting and owning is crucial, but it's equally important to zoom in on the current state of the Southwest Florida real estate market. Southwest Florida's market has its unique dynamics. It's a desirable destination for many, thanks to our beautiful beaches, vibrant community, and thriving economy. This desirability impacts both rental and sale prices. Lately, we've seen a steady appreciation in property values here. This trend makes purchasing a home in Southwest Florida not just a lifestyle choice, but also a potentially wise financial investment. For renters, this market means navigating competitive pricing, especially in high-demand areas. Rent prices have been trending upwards, reflecting the overall growth and popularity of the region. It's also worth noting the diversity and the types of properties available here, from luxurious waterfront homes to more affordable inland options. The Southwest Florida market caters to a wide range of preferences and budgets. Whether you're looking to rent or buy, understanding these market trends and local insights is key to making an informed decision. Now let's consider some additional factors that might influence your choice. While we've covered the primary aspects of renting and buying, there are additional considerations to ponder before making your decision. These factors can significantly influence your lifestyle and financial well-being. Firstly, let's talk about home maintenance. Owning a home means being prepared for the unexpected: a broken AC, plumbing issues, or roof repairs. These costs add up and are a crucial part of the homeownership equation. On the flip side, market fluctuations for Southwest Florida real estate are another factor to consider. While the market has seen steady growth, it's important to stay informed about potential shifts that could affect property values and rent prices. Now let's weigh the cost of building equity against the freedom of renting. Homeownership is a long-term investment, often requiring patience and commitment to reap the financial benefits. Renting, while offering more flexibility and less financial burden in terms of maintenance, doesn't contribute to equity. It's a trade-off between immediate flexibility and potential long-term gains. These factors, maintenance costs, market predictions, and the balance between equity and freedom are essential in shaping your decision. As we conclude our exploration of renting versus buying in Southwest Florida, let's review the key points of this important debate. We looked at the flexibility and low upfront costs of renting versus the long-term benefits and equity-building potential of owning a home. Each path has its unique advantages and challenges. Remember, this decision is more than just a financial calculation. It's about your lifestyle, your future plans, and what you envision as your ideal living situation in this beautiful part of Southwest Florida. I encourage you to weigh your options carefully. If you're unsure or need more personalized advice, please don't hesitate to reach out. My team and I are here to guide you through every step of your real estate journey. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps bring more content just like this to you. And remember, if you're looking to buy or sell in our local Southwest Florida real estate market or anywhere in the nation through one of our partner agents, I'd love to help you out. Click the link in the description below to schedule a call to discuss your real estate goals. Or you can call or text me at 239-634-8639 or email me at contact@braydenmilner.com. For educational resources, blog posts, property search, and much more, check out my website at www.braydenmilner.com. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this weekly, and I'll see you all in the next one.